So, hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 days, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 15 till the 21st of September. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So, let's start. Virgo, the overall energy for the situation for your life right now at this present moment for this week from Oshozen. We have the inner voice. See, if you are seeking for some kind of guidance, if you are looking for some kind of solution to a problem that you guys are facing in your life, try to go inside of your own self. You will be able to get your answers within yourself. You don't have to look for the answers outside of you. See, there are going to be lots of people around you who are going to give you suggestions as per their experiences, as per their perspectives. You know your life better than everyone else. You know your life and yourself better than any astrologer, tarot reader, or healer, or anything, right? So, if you are going to go inside and if you are going to listen to your intuition, listen to your inner voice, you are going to get the messages and the answers loud and clear. Right now you don't need the outside world to answer you, to like give you the solutions. It's within yourself. All you have to do is to get in touch with your inner self and you will be able to get it loud and clear. But sitting with yourself, spending time with yourself, listening to yourself is very important for that. At least 15-20 minutes a day. I am not saying to isolate yourself and go in jungle or something, but at least spend 15-20 minutes with yourself each day, and you are going to gain more clarity and understanding of life, and you will be able to get more answers loud and clear. Okay, let's see what we have for this week. 15th, we have the nothingness, nothingness. Virgo, you guys are like blessed today with a clean slate. So something fell apart, something is kind of done, something is not there anymore. The slate is completely clean. It's like universe is giving you a new subconscious reprogramming kind of energy. Now whatever you are going to put into your mind, subconscious mind, whatever you are going to do with the reprogramming thing is going to be your next reality, whatever you are going to write on this slate. So it's a clean slate, it's a clean energy, it's a fresh day, fresh energy. You guys are having your birthdays these days, so definitely a new chapter is opening up for you guys, and this is just a confirmation that this is a new day, new birth, new year, new clean slate. Go for it. So whatever you are going to do from now onwards is going to be your new reality. 16th, we have the stress. It's like taking too much on your plate that you will not be able to finish and not be able to manage. Doing so many things at the same time, taking too many responsibilities on your shoulders, and trying to juggle them all and trying to just be okay. So this man is trying to juggle all the candles, trying to play this instrument. Then he is trying to control the monkey also, and the monkey is about to poke this balloon or ball, like on which this man is dancing. This is a shit show, a complete mess that you are dealing with right now. You might be trying to juggle your personal life, professional life, your health, your spiritual health, people around you, situations around you. You are trying your best to keep everything perfect and aligned, and it's stressing the hell out of you. First of all, try to do it with yourself. Try to align your own energies. Okay, start with your own happiness and peace. Calm down, relax. And second thing, like learn this mantra with my channel, with me. Not my monkey, not my circus. You don't have to take other people's responsibilities on your shoulders. They have a different journey, they have a different life. You cannot help everyone around you, especially if it is draining your own life source, life energy. What's the use? 15, 16, 17th, we have the patience. Virgo, you guys are working on something big, okay? Like a baby takes approximately 9 months to develop fully and come out. This is something that needs your patience, and with patience, you will be able to achieve the results of your hard work someday, okay? Make notes of your energies during the moon cycle, full moon and no moon, or waning or waxing. We call it waning or waxing, I guess. I forgot the terms. So basically, with the moon cycle, your energies are also going to increase or decrease in levels. So figure that out and work according to the moon cycle also. But whatever you are waiting for, whatever results you are seeking for, they will come with patience and only in divine timing. It's on the way, but it's going to take time. Hmm? We have 15, 16, 17, 18th, we have the rebel. Now, you might feel suffocated in certain situations in your life. You might feel like you are not free, or you're not independently being able to do something that you really wanted to do. For that, you have to take a stand for yourself. Okay? Virgo, nobody else is going to do that for you. You have to break the chains. You have to stand up against all the odds of the society, all the people around you, situations or things around you that are stopping you from moving forward in your life the way you want. So if certain kind of situations people think are suffocating you and trying to keep you trapped in some way or chained in some way, it's your responsibility to break the chains and stand up for yourself and be the rebellious of your own life. That you have to do for yourself. Don't worry about people. Most of them don't care about going out of comfort zone and doing something about their life. They believe in like crying and sulking and blaming the whole universe. If you feel like you have something totally different to do in the world, stand up and get out of your comfort zone, okay? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19th, we have the creator. See, you can create your own reality. You have the capacity, you have the capability that you can definitely be creator of your own reality, of your own life. Work on your solar plexus chakra. It is going to give you a lot of strength and courage. Second thing, the whole creation is with you. Don't worry that you don't have the power, you don't have the courage. Start taking the first steps towards your goals, and in the coming future, you will be amazed by the way you are going to create your own reality. Hmm? So keep on doing your thing, keep on enhancing your solar plexus chakra, and keep on moving ahead. You are definitely on this life, or on this in this energy of creating your own reality, and the whole universe is with you. Hmm. You are the creator of your own reality. There's no god up there who is going to be there for you. The existence onto itself is enough. Hmm? So we have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20th. 20th, we have the harmony. Now you have to find a balance between your head and your heart, so that you can feel the harmonious and peaceful kind of energies that you are craving for from maybe last 10 weeks to 10 months. Especially from the last 10 weeks, you might be feeling highly restless. You might not be able to connect with your heart and your mind. So your mind is telling you totally different stories, totally different things. Your heart is telling you something different, totally different. So you guys have to figure out a balance between these two things to have a harmonious kind of bonding with, like, in your life, to have a harmonious and peaceful kind of life structure. 21st, playfulness. Don't worry about people. Virgo people worry too much about what people, other people are going to think. If I'm going to do this, if I'm not going to do it perfectly, they are going to judge me, blah blah blah. Virgo, perfection is an illusion, first of all. And second thing, playfulness here is highly, highly important for you guys in order to move forward. You are being too extremely serious these days. I don't know what's happening, but this seriousness of yours is not bringing you anything. It's kind of making you feel a little bit anxious. Hmm? So don't clench your fists like this, okay? And just try to relax. Try to calm down, be playful, don't worry about other people, spread your positivity, spread your light, spread your wings, and keep on flying. Okay? See, this clown is so happy. He's fucking happy, and he is just spreading the light everywhere, and he don't care. Even the clothes he's wearing are so loose, we can literally see the body parts. So basically, he don't even care what people are going to think about his outfit, what people are going to think about his face. He's happy, he's playful, he's just living his life to the fullest. You don't care about others. That's the kind of playfulness. Do not take life too seriously, Virgo. It's ending. We all are heading towards death. Death is the ultimate reality and the truth of life. So do not take life too much seriously. It's ending anyways. So try to just include playfulness and inner child energies in your life, Virgo. Why so serious? Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week. Okay. Mind. You have to control, you have to take a control of your overthinking. Your mind is continuously creating stories, creating scenarios, and hurting you so badly. You are like, you don't even think, you're not able to stop overthinking, you're not able to stop listening to your mind, and your mind is continuously creating scenarios that are might be never going to be true in this lifetime. But it's the job of mind to create scenarios and stories to keep you occupied, to keep you trapped, so that you are not going to move forward. Until unless you are going to stop this overthinking, stop listening to your mind too much, you will not be able to grow as a soul, as a human. Okay? So, Virgo, you guys have to do something about this overthinking and listening to your mind too much kind of thing. Otherwise, you are always going to be trapped in this, and you are going to lose the balance of your life, the message of your life. You're being too serious here. Too serious here. Work on this. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.